I'm Steve Parrino of Brown Harris Stevens, and Mike Lubin and I want to welcome you to our condo exclusive at 460 East 79th Street, apartment 17AB, which has open, amazing views of the East River. This sun-flooded apartment has 10 banks of windows to the east and an open concept layout for ideal living and entertaining. The apartment has an expansive 40-foot gallery with a perfectly situated private office. The second living room has open north exposures, is large, and has beautiful hardwood floors. The first of the 4 bedrooms shares the east exposures and has a private bath just off the entry. With a sunny south exposure, you'll never have to turn on the lights in the third of the 4th bedrooms. The remaining bedrooms are secluded off a private hall, each with their own bath. The last of the 4 bedrooms has its own private bath and suite, a walk-in closet, and more of that sunny south exposure. 460 East 79th Street really is a rare find, with a 24-hour doorman, resident manager, bike room, and on-site garage in a condo, and just moments from the East River parks and restaurants. This really is a special apartment.